What's going on, y'all? I don't know if y'all can hear me, but per Dirty Broke215, it's trying to show them settlements, y'all. Let's show what's up. I'm about to show y'all mine. Y'all been waiting for KB to show that work, right? Show that money out here, right? I'm about to get it in. All right, first, before I show you that work, got to get my exercise, my stretch on. Hold on. I know y'all loving them gloves, right? NFC East, baby. We just beat them Hawks over there in Seattle. Yep, JG, man, coming back with a backup quarterback. Colt McCoy used to be with the Washington football team anyway. That was just another something I threw in there. Yep. So y'all can see, got to work on that, getting rid of that. Y'all ready? Let's go. Alrighty, and now I'll repeat that. At least I think Dirty said 10 times, but we're going 10 for 10. So I'm not gonna make this whole video doing 10 for 10, but that's just a preview. I'm gonna give y'all one more. Let's go. Body squat. Ha! Yes, sir. But yeah, so do 10 for 10 of that. And then I'm gonna walk my laps around here. Probably give me 3 laps around this truck stop and get her done. So y'all be easy, be breezy. Show them settlements, driver, health as well. We trying to get paid out here, paid in full. Let's see them settlements. Truckers get fat, not fit. Team Fit Crew Challenge 2020. Don't wait till 21 talking about I'm gonna lose weight. Get out here, do it now. Let's get out, get it done, baby. So, love y'all. Grace, peace, and love. KB Smooth. I'm working on mine. What you doing about yours? Peace.